You know that tomorrow I'm hustling like there's only one more second left of this hustle.
Don't bother me, I'm working. Don't bother me, I'm working. Don't bother me, I'm working. Don't bother me, I'm working.
Hello, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for subscribing. Today I'm going to be demonstrating on how to do a closure sew-in. Once you have your cap molded down, you're going to go ahead and cut off the excess pieces. If you are new to my channel, I urge you to go and check out my other videos. I have a detailed video on how you will get your cap molded down perfectly like I do in this clip. After you have your cap molded down, you're going to use a color of makeup that's closest to the client's skin complexion. You're going to put it on the back of the lace and you're going to put it on the cap. No, I really don't like to use lace tint because over time the lace tint starts to turn green, and that's just from my own personal experiences. If you like to use the lace tint, I want you to do what works best for you. Please bear with me. I know I may sound a little sick. I caught a cold. But anyway, after you've put the makeup on the client's cap and on the lace, you're going to ask them to help you hold down the lace, and you're going to go ahead and sew the back of it on. If your client is not helping you hold down their closure, you're going to end up doing it wrong. The hair that we're going to be using today is from my collection. This is the Body Wave Raw Virgin hair. You can purchase it at hairbyericaj.com, and don't forget to use the promo code YouTube to save money today. When it comes down to parting the hair, the way that I get the best results is using a rat tail metal tooth comb. I want to show you guys something very special, and this is going to give you the best results when it comes down to doing a closure. I'm going to zoom in on it so you can see what I'm talking about. Right here. You're going to go and cut off those little side tab pieces of the closure. That's going to give you the best and most natural closure look. You really don't want to have those little tabs there because it's going to look humpy and big. If you're going to wear weave, and especially if you're going to wear a lace, you want your hair to look as natural as possible. Watching my YouTube tutorials is going to give you the best and most natural results. And by the way, I'm self-taught. I went to hair school, but they don't teach you these things. Everything that I know is trial and error. I do what works best for me, and like I said earlier, and like I always say in my videos, I want you to do what works best for you. Once you have the lace cut off, of course, the next step is going to be to sew the hair in. Unfortunately, I do not have a video of me sewing the hair in, and I really want to do it for you guys. But I do these videos by myself, and while no one is at home, it's very hard to record. And it's very hard to record by yourself and get the correct angles. However, I'm going to add in my curling technique into this video. If you guys haven't already seen how to achieve bombshell curls with a flat iron in my other video that I posted, feel free to stay tuned and watch me curl this hair. What I like to do is start at the bottom and then work my way up to the top. When you're at the very top of the style, you want to flatten it out a little bit before you start to curl so it can look as neat as possible. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you for tuning in, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.